Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Amazon account temporarily locked. So if your Amazon account is on hold, there's some steps to do to regain access to your account. So Amazon says to regain access to your Amazon account, the first thing that you need to do is to check your email or text messages for an account on hold notification from Amazon. Because when your account gets locked, you will get a notification from Amazon telling you what to do to remove the lock from your account. So after that, you need to sign into your Amazon account and then you need to complete the form and include necessary attachments. So they may ask you for details like your information and you may need to add your ID or something to verify your identity. Also, the fastest way to unlock your account is to submit the requested details yourself through Amazon's secure sign-in portal. So they are saying that their customer service team can guide you in this process, but will ask you to follow the same instructions. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.